Hello, my name is Najwa Soraya and my student ID 33220146 and I'm from class 336A07 and I will present about project 1 social linguistic and this is my material code switching and dialect. Code switching is the alternation between one language and other within a conversation, either between sentence or across discourse, as in typically involves a more comprehensive shift in language, not merely the insertion of words or phrase. And for example is like speaking in Indonesian, then switching to English to make a point, and then returning to Indonesian. And why do people engage in code switching? The first is identity and social solidarity. It's like to express group identity or contest with the interlocutor. For example, people from the same region we might use their local language when talking too much other in the middle of a conversation conducted in Indonesian. And second is vocabulary limitation. When a speaker can find an appropriate word in one language, they might switch to another language that offers a more accurate or expressive term. And the three is specific topics or context. For instance, in academic or professional discussion, a speaker may use technical terms in English even though the main conversation is in Indonesian. And the fourth is style and expression. To add variety, humor, or emphasis in speech. And the five is role or communicative situation. Sometimes people adjust their language depending on who they are speaking to. Example like with a teacher or a friends or a parents. And then who commonly engage in code switching? Typically it's done by the first is bilingual or multilingual speakers, those who are proficient in two or more language, and then children from mixed language families, such as those whose parents come from different linguistic backgrounds, and then urban population, especially in large cities where foreign language like English are often used in professional and educational contexts. And then because social media user, due to high exposure to multilingual content and global language styles. And then this is the example.
Mungkin ada orang di luar sana yang nonton ini sekarang bilang, loh kalau cinta Indonesia, bahasa Indonesianya harus baik dan benar dong. I agree, aku setiap tahun aku rasa tambah improve bahasa Indonesia. Kalau 10 tahun yang lalu kita interview seperti ini, jawaban aku bakal kacau. I'm much better now, and I'm continuously trying to improve. Tapi menurut aku, dan ini hanya opini aku, you can disagree, you can agree. Tapi jauh lebih penting behavior kita dan actions yang kita ambil untuk menunjukkan kecintaan kita untuk negara kita. Dan mungkin itu dengan membantu orang-orang yang kurang mampu atau mengajarkan values yang positif. Tapi satu-satunya cara kita menunjukkan cinta kita ke Indonesia atau negara apapun bukan hanya dengan
bahasanya, dengan karya, dengan perbuatan baik.
Exactly.
Okay.
And that's an example video from YouTube. And what is the meaning of the video? The way we show our love for Indonesian or any country is not only through language but through our behavior and the action we take to show our love for our country. Maybe by helping the less fortunate or teaching positive value. And in the video is between host and the speaker, and the speaker is Cinta Laura Kiel. And which code switch is built? Kalau 10 tahun yang lalu kita interview seperti ini, jawaban aku bakal kacau. I'm much better now and I'm continuously trying to improve. Tapi menurut aku, ini hanya opini aku. You can disagree or you can agree, tapi jauh lebih penting behavior kita dan action yang kita ambil. And why do they code switching? Because the speaker or Cinta Laura has limited vocabulary. Her parents come from different language backgrounds and grew up in a country that use a foreign language. And the next is dialect. A dialect is a variation of a language that has distinctive characteristics in pronunciation, vocabulary, or grammar, which is used by a particular community group or can also be influenced by geographical, social, or cultural factors. And why do people often do it? People often use dialect because there is a need to communicate with a certain group, for example, with friends or family members who come from the same area. Dialect are often used by people who live in certain area or those who have close ties to the community that use the dialect. And who usually speak it? Dialect are often used by people who live in a particular area or those who have close ties to the community that use the dialect, for example like Betawi, Japanese, Sundanese, or Bataks, people who speak their religion dialect. And this is example dialect from Betawi.
Orang Betawi, lebaran, sebulan juga belum tentu kelar. Hari pertama, standby kita di rumah Kong Ngaji. Ngomongin numpang kita pengen mengikuti di situ. Jadi kesian, anaknya kita punya banyak. Kalau dewe kan baik, kita temenin dah tuh hari pertama. Hari kedua baru dah kita ngider, kita nyaba ke rumah Encang sama Encing ya. Padahal hari pertama udah ketemu itu Encang sama Encing di rumah Ngkong. Lah, katanya belum sah lebaran kalau belum kita ke rumahnya. Katanya udah masak banyak. Kalau bikin akar kelapa, kembang goyang, lah bukan apa-apa Ceng aja. Lagi kita seminggu makan kembang goyang mulu kita yang goyang jadinya.
This is example from Betawi. This is really Betawi.
Orang Betawi.
What is the meaning of the video? He is explaining the reason why Betawi people eat mubarak so late and which dialect is built in dialek Betawi. Hari kedua baru dah kita ngider, kita nyaba ke rumah Encang Encing ya. Padahal hari pertama udah ketemu tuh Encang Encing di rumah Ngkong. Lah katanya belum sah lebaran kalau belum kita ke rumahnya. And the standard sentence is baru pada hari kedua kami berkeliling, kami bersilaturahmi ke rumah paman dan bibi. Padahal hari pertama kami sudah bertemu mereka di rumah kakek. Tapi katanya belum sah lebaran kalau belum berkunjung ke rumah mereka. And the last is the reason he used dialect. He used dialect because maybe he used his informant which always use Betawi language, or it has been habit since childhood maybe, or maybe this is also just for content, just like this maybe. And yes, the last, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention and see you.